recently at the 2018 Gulf Coast Advanced Manufacturing Conference. Many top manufacturers and technology leaders met with HCC educational leaders to share their outlook of upcoming trends in the industry.
Manufacturing is one of the largest industry sectors in the greater Houston area. And as an educational institution, it's critical that we partner and engage with industry members so they can continue to tell us and guide us in our curriculum and open opportunities for our students. So today, by bringing in partnership with the Greater Houston Partnership, industry leaders in this sector, we're listening to what's happening in their area, how technology is completely disrupting their sectors, and what emerging needs they have for skilled labor, and how HCC can be a supplier of this new talent pipeline that they so desperately need to remain competitive.
I'm going to be talking about the exciting things that are going on in Houston. When you look at manufacturing and look at all the capabilities, we have so many strengths that so many people that live in Houston don't even know this, and we need to know this so that we can educate and we can communicate this to the world of how great Houston is to be a manufacturing city.
With this collaboration, HCC has been the leader in workforce training to outfit such manufacturing demands.
Obviously, we need to have a very strong workforce for the future of manufacturing, or really any of our industries here, in energy included, healthcare. And we need a very strong, skilled workforce, starting with our secondary education into our trades and then beyond. These days, technology is in everything, in all of our industries, and is becoming more advanced with the different types of tools, robotics, AI, data analytics, and so our workforce needs to mirror what we're doing in the industry.
I think, when you look at that connection between workforce and education, the more connectivity that there is between those two, the more interaction that there is between those two, the greater that we all are as far as our results. So I guess my response to that question is, working together is really the key for us to, be successful as a whole with our workforce needs.
Today in education, it's vitally important to have industry become involved in the process. Education needs to focus on industry, and they always have to look ahead and think 2 or 3 steps ahead of what industry is currently needing. So having industry and education get together today is vitally important to what the community needs here in Houston and throughout the state of Texas.
For more information about HCC's different centers of excellence, including the construction industry and manufacturing COE, visit hccs.edu. For Stafford METV, Rey Molano reporting.